morning. We are waiting in line to get, why are they like, they're like letting only a few people in at a time, but we're waiting in line to go into like the convention center, and then we're gonna go to, they're going to David Dobrik's panel, but I think I'm gonna go to Mel's panel. But then they're gonna come to Mel's panel after David's is over, and then we have Emma Chamberlain's meetup and Elle Mills, and we're just gonna
and excitement
hang out.
Wanting, and we don't find in our daily lives, you know, all the time outside, and so to be able to start with that safe note.
Because now, what's your name?
Hi, I'm Blake.
Alyssa. Alyssa. Oh, there's two of you guys caught it. Blake and Alyssa. Nice to meet you guys.
Can we be in the vlog?
That's a tough question.
Go, Mel! Yes,
I'm gonna stop shooting right now because I can't do all of this at one time.
We have an exciting story.
Incredible.
Okay, so we went to David Dobrik's Q&A, and then we stayed for Mel's panel. And at David Dobrik's Q&A, Alyssa caught the mic cube and like to ask a question. And so she handed the mic cube to Blake, and Blake was like, "Can we be in the vlog?" And then David took out the vlog and started vlogging everybody, and he zoomed in on us. We were in the vlog. Okay, that's all.
Incredible.
Yeah, now we're just, Mel's panel was good, now we're just walking around, wasting time.
Guess who we're meeting next?
Emma Chamberlain.
No, you should say guess in the comments.
Oh, guess in the comments. Hi guys. So subscribe to this channel. Wait, what's your channel name?
Abster7.
All right, go subscribe. Yes. This is so cute. We're taking some photos for Instagram.
I'll take your photos.
Okay, for sure.
It says, can we be in the vlog too?
Aww. That is so cute. This is so cute.
I love it. Oh my god.
I feel very like.
Aww.
Aww.
I wish I had a Polaroid with me.
I know, that would be so cute.
I was gonna bring it. Oh, my friend's fine. I probably have to go to lunch now.
Okay.
Hey, now.
To the stage! I will have them introduce themselves so I don't mess up your names. Let's hear it!
We were waiting in line for Emma and Elle's meetup, but we should be early.
Yeah, we should. I'm so excited.
Maybe we'll invite Emma to like dinner. She won't come.
She's probably hanging out with David Dobrik.
And Tana,
he's a little bit cooler than us.
But we're just waiting. We're like third row.
And it's so exciting.
We're gonna get her the vlog. Don't you worry, everybody. No, it's so amazing.
Dude, what's up? We out here on the Canon G7X vlogging on the scene of the meetup. And I'm just having a great time. I'm really sweaty though.
No, same.
I'm like real sweaty, but we work with what we have.
Okay, you still
it's
look
just
great.
one of
It's
those
fine.
things. And I'm really thirsty. And that's just because I like need water and coffee.
Okay.
And good night. Subscribe to this girl or I'll literally
Do it.
haunt you in your freaking sleep. I don't care about your feelings. Just kidding, I do. I love you so much. I care about your feelings. Like, I care about, like, if you need anyone to talk to, I'm here. I'm so annoying. Like, you should shut this off.
No, it's
Everybody
okay. It's
hates
okay.
me.
Okay, bye.
Yeah, I love you.
Thank you.
Okay, yeah.
Oh my god, my dog got hit by a car?
That's gonna be the title of
Yes!
the video. Clickbait.
Not clickbait.
Not literally
No
no clickbait. Yeah.
Oh my god,
please.
this could work. High five.
Good
Thank
work.
you. God bless.
Good job.
Stay in America.
It's fine. I don't know how to. I just got this on Wednesday. Okay. Well, I'm with her again. I met her yesterday, but it's fine. We're back.
We're reunited.
I know.
I couldn't get enough. I'm like, I want to be packed.
It was a long time without each other,
Put
but
me
we're
in
back.
the vlog.
Well, here's your time to shine.
I know. Guys, please go subscribe to my channel. Please.
I'll link her channel down below.
Send me money and I don't know what to say.
Okay.
Are you guys I am.
We just want to say hi. And that we love Emma. And my name's Emma.
Oh, sweet.
Yeah.
Yeah, so funny. Thank you so much.
We just want to say hi. Thanks. Bye. Emma was literally the sweetest ever.
Literally so sweet.
Oh my god, we just almost crashed. But so sorry. Literally so funny.
I'm still shaking.
And she's the exact same person in real life. And she knew who I was because of Hannah, and it was a good day. Wasn't she so sweet, Sammy?
I
like have no words if you're watching this, no doubt you are, but literally amazing.
So good, so good.
Highlight of this trip.
So good. We did outfits of the day, so we're doing it now. Go.
Hey guys, it's Blake. Guess who I just met? Guess in the comments.
Okay, that's not us.
Okay, this is a bodysuit from Pakistan. These are just American Eagle, and these are shoes from Steve Madden from
Okay, Alyssa, outfit of the day.
I stole this from Allison. The shorts are again from Kohl's because I wear the same ones, and these are Steve Madden.
Outfit of the day.
I'm wearing a shirt from Pakistan. These jeans are from Hollister, and my shoes are from Vans.
Outfit of the day, Sarah.
Hollister, Vans.
Nice. Outfit of the day, guys.
This is from Forever 21, Hollister, yes.
Nice.
Hollister, American Eagle, Vans.
Nice. Oh, I didn't do mine. Do mine.
Wait, is it recording?
Yeah. Okay.
Are you sure?
My shirt is from Brandy Melville, shorts are from Pakistan, Converse, and fuzzy socks from Target.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I need to push on the vlog.
We're on not drugs.
Say it again.
Hey guys, I just want you to look at the sky really quick. It's a really pretty blue today, but really not as pretty as my face today. It's the pool party, it's playlist time.
But it's not.
That doesn't even make
sleep
sense.
time.
What did Emma just tweet? What's happening?
It was a retweet of a fan that tweeted her picture of herself.
What is this picture? This was yesterday, but why?
It's so bright. All of our friends are at prom right now, so we're gonna take some prom pictures. Okay. Hold it. Will you vlog it?
Yep. You're taking the pictures. I'm vlogging.
Oh, okay.
I don't really care. Is Connor smiling here? Is Morgan smiling?
Yeah, Connor smiling, can't see Morgan. Okay. Same angle? Yeah, wait, let me look at it. You're looking at your facade. You're both looking at it. Are we smiling? Yes, you're both smiling, looking at the facade.
How do we do?
I think we did really, really well. Really well.
Hello everybody, we're on live as always because we always are. Everybody say hi to the live. Okay, hi.
Hey, live. Tana Magician.
Randy, Aslin, Nandi, Megan, Holly.
Hi, Nandi.
Leanne, Alyssa.
Robert Tito.
Yeah, we love him. No, we're gonna block him in a sec.
Hi, vlog.
Hi, vlog. Hi, vlog. Hi, vlog. Aslin said hi, vlog. Leanne said hi, vlog.
I'm sorry, she's like crap.
Tana Mongoose.
Yeah,
Why do you call her that?
Freaking Tana.
Why do I call Tana Mongoose? Because a lot of people call her Tana Mongoose.
It's freaking Vans.
Hey, Nicole.
Hello,
hey,
Alyssa.
Nandi. Oh, she doesn't care about us. Never mind. Bye, Nandi. Ew.
Bye,
hey,
Nandi. Hi, vlog. Megan said hi to the vlog. Okay, I'm gonna actually stop the vlog. Oh, it wasn't recording. Yes, it was. Okay, bye. Hi, Kaylin. Say hi to my vlog. Good job.
We're gonna protect your David Dobrik.
Oh my God, David Dobrik, not clickbait. No one.
Hey, Emma.
Hi, Emma, I love you. David. She's on the same freaking thing as David. Hi, Corinna.
Try and tell me they're not dating.
Corinna snuggling up to
Toddy. It's like, I hear it. I feel like it's like Ashley and Tana, Amari, everyone. Hi! Okay, I don't think it was them. No, it was Allison Stoner.
Yeah, I saw Allison.
Yeah, it was Allison, because I saw. Hi guys, so it's 11:50 and we're just waiting outside to kind of just meet creators and
2015.
chilling with a ton of different people. Do you guys want to say hi to the vlog?
Hi.
Hi. Yeah. Are you sure you want to go for it? Hi Morgan, can I get a picture with you? Sorry, I feel like pulling so much food. No, I feel bad. Set it down.
I did not have dinner and like,
That's okay, neither did we.
what an improper time to like have a meal. Were you
tweeting me? Were you the one tweeting me?
Yes, I was.
Alright, awesome, yay!
Don't drop your phone.
We'll set up. What's your name again? I'm Emma. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. There you go. Oh my God, you're so dedicated.
Perfect.
Thank you. Do you want to my vlog?
Yes.
Let's see. I just got this.
We got this.
So we met Morgan.
Hi,
finally.
Emma's vlog. You are so dedicated. Like, what time is it? 2 a.m.?
Yeah, something like that.
Are you
I don't
staying
know.
at this hotel?
Yeah.
Okay, then that's understandable. Like when I see people, I'm like, oh my gosh, they're literally so dedicated. Like they're here so late. This lighting is creepy, but
Yeah, we'll figure it out.
we're having a wonderful time.
Yes.
I got my food, so I'm happy.
That's good. Yeah, we haven't eaten, but it's okay.
No, who needs it, you know?
Yeah, come on.
Food,
Running on
whatever.
adrenaline.
We don't need food, but
Yeah. Thank you.
yay, I'm so excited.
I know, I'm so excited.
Hey,
We're trying. What time is it? What time is it?
2:03. Okay, listen. The floor above us is David Dobrik. Are you fucking kidding me?
Oh my God, I'm sorry. No, it's okay. It's okay.
I'm so excited.
David Dobrik is staying on the floor right above a purser. Oh my God. Oh, it's too quiet. We're gonna find famous people right now.